Europe is reeling under severe heatwave conditions. The record-breaking heatwave has already claimed more than 1,300 lives, while temperatures nearing 45 degrees Celsius have triggered an unusual problem. Roads and tram lines are softening and even melting in parts of the UK and across Europe. But here's the surprising part. Countries like India regularly experience even higher temperatures without widespread road failures. So why is Europe struggling? The answer lies in engineering rather than construction quality. Roads in Europe, particularly in countries like the UK, are built to survive long, freezing winters. Engineers use softer grades of bitumen that stay flexible in sub-zero temperatures, helping roads resist cracks caused by repeated freeze-thaw cycles during the colder months. That same flexibility becomes a weakness during extreme heat. When road surface temperatures climb beyond 40 degrees Celsius, the softer bitumen begins to lose its rigidity. Under the weight of heavy vehicles, roads can soften, develop ruts, and in severe cases, appear to melt, disrupting transport and increasing safety risks. However, India faces a completely different climate challenge. Roads here are designed for prolonged, intense summers using harder VG-grade bitumen, such as VG30 and VG40. These materials maintain their strength even when air temperatures exceed 45 degrees Celsius, allowing roads to remain stable during frequent heat waves. Indian road engineers also use asphalt mixes containing larger stone aggregates and higher viscosity bitumen. Together, these materials improve load-bearing capacity, reduce surface deformation, and help roads withstand constant heavy traffic, even during the hottest months of the year. The same principle extends beyond roads. Many European homes are built with thick insulation, airtight construction, and materials designed to trap heat during long, freezing winters. But during prolonged heat waves, those same features can make homes much hotter, especially since many buildings were never designed with air conditioning. Like the roads, Europe's infrastructure was built for a colder climate, not for temperatures now approaching or exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. As heat waves become more frequent and intense across Europe, engineers may have to rethink how roads are built for the future. The recent melting roads are not a sign of poor construction. They're a reminder that infrastructure designed for yesterday's climate may no longer be enough for tomorrow's extreme weather.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.